Welcome back, and we shall see today how to play the introduction to Sayoni. I place both of these fingers in the 10th fret, and the strumming goes like this. From second string it starts, then the second string I press this finger in the next fret, that is 11th fret. Leave it. So again, to play full like this. Thereafter, press the 13th fret on the first string. 13th fret. Let the second string be in the 10th fret and play like this. Then bring the second string, play the second string in the 8th fret and the first string in the 10th fret. Now additionally you place this finger in the 10th fret in the on the third string. Press the third string. So I am playing three strings now in simple sequence: third, second and first string. And then move these two fingers which are in the 10th fret to 9th fret like this. Simple sequence. And the third string now. So I'll play again this part. Kindly watch my next video for the next part. Again, take same way. Then stop at D suspended 2. To summarize, it will be like this. Welcome back, and now we shall see how to play the actual song Sayoni. So as you can see, I am playing D minor chord in bar shape, chord D minor. The first chord is D minor, the second chord will be F, bar F, next will be C. I'm playing all bar chords and then back to D minor. Oh, और कोई हल नहीं। The stanza goes like this. The before that, the in between piece is there, which is just like the intro. Here it is like this. If you see my video for the intro, you'll be able to play this like this. So when I play the last part, don't touch this first string. And the stanza goes like this. D minor. First will be D minor, then it will be this chord. And this chord is A sharp. A sharp. Then after that, again I will be playing D minor. And now we are going to see how to play the verse of Sayuni. I start from the chord D minor. The strumming is like this. So this chord is A sharp, or you can call it B flat. So again, starting with D minor. And then so this was A chord, F and D minor. So here I play. And the second line goes like this. This is D minor followed by A. First we sang like Chhod meri khata. So here it goes like this. Chhod meri khata. So it was D minor followed by A followed by D minor followed by A and again D minor. And the next line Tu to pagal nahi goes like this. It starts from A. Tu to pagal nahi. A, D minor, A. Tu to pagal nahi. And the next line. La, la, la. A, F, F, D minor.